if f of x is equals to 6x squared minus 2x plus 1, find f of 0, f of 1, f of 2, f of minus 1, and f of minus 2. Let's see what we can do. Now, let's find f of 0. So to find f of 0, I have to replace x in this equation here with 0. So that will be f of 0 equals to 6 of 0 square minus 2 of 0 plus 1. So 0 square is 0. So have 6 of 0. And minus 2 times 0 plus 1. So we have plus 1 here. So 6 times 0, that is 0. So we have 1. Now, to find f of 0, f of 1, sorry, I have to replace x with 1 from this equation. So that will be f of 1 equals to 6 of 1 square minus 2 of 1 plus 1. So 1 square is 1. So we have 6 of 1. Minus 2 times 1 is minus 2 plus 1. Now, 6 times 1, so we have 6. Minus 2 plus 1, so we have minus 1. So 6 minus 1, we have 5. Now, to find f of 2, I have to replace x with 2 from this equation here. So that way, f of 2 equals to 6 of 2 square minus 2 of 2 plus 1. So 2 square is 4. So we have 6 of 4. Minus 2 times 2, we have minus 4. We then have plus 1. 6 times 4, we have 24. Minus 3 plus 1, we have minus 3. So 24 minus 3, we have 21. Okay, so to find f of minus 1, so we have to replace x with minus 1 from this equation here. So that will be f of minus 1 equals to 6 of minus 1 square minus 2 of minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 square, that is minus 4 times minus 1. So we are having 6 of 1. Minus 2 times minus 1, we have plus 2. We have plus 1. So 6 times 2, we have 6. 2 plus 1, we have plus 3. So our answer is 9. Finally, to find f of minus 3, you have to repeat the same process. So that will be f of minus 3 equals to 6 of minus 3 square minus 2 of minus 3 plus 1. So minus 3 square, so we have 6 of 9. Minus 2 times minus 3, we have plus 6. We don't have plus 1. 6 times 9, we have 54 plus 7. So 54 plus 7, we have 61. See you in the next class. Thank you.